Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is the new video about the Syska hair dryer where you can see all the features around the box, and it has overheating protection, heat balance technology, health breeze mode, and lightweight compact design. So here when we unbox it, you can see here the manual and also the warranty card, which I've already removed it. So let me show here. You can see the warranty card and also the manual. So here is the basic manual where you can see all the instructions in it, and this is the trimmer, which is a foldable design, and there is also a small note here on how you can see the features and what are the features in it. And here this looks pretty good in white color, which I like it, and it says Trendsetter. So this name itself says that it's Trendsetter, I can say. And here you can see the overall look and the wire, with the 16 amp to 50 volts. And here we are turning it on. As you can see here how fast the air blows in one setting, and whenever we move on to the second setting, here you can see how the paper goes off. And hope you like the video. That's it guys.